Meaning of gentlewoman.
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 Gentlewoman. Gentlewoman is a term used to describe a woman of noble birth or gentle upbringing. It is typically used to denote a woman who embodies qualities such as elegance, grace, and refinement. The term is often associated with the upper class and conveys a sense of sophistication and high social standing. In modern times, gentlewoman is sometimes used as a respectful title for a woman of distinction or accomplishment. Overall, the term gentlewoman carries with it a sense of dignity and respectability that emphasizes the importance of etiquette, manners, and good breeding.